Hello everybody, I just had to make this video. I just cannot believe this happened, okay? Okay, whoever the whoever wrote GPTel, you're like thank you very much. You're so cool. You're the greatest guy I've ever known. I think his name is Karthik. I do not know. I don't. I think yeah. Thank you, whoever. Like I think his name is Kartik, and thank you very much, Mr. Kartik. Like you're the greatest guy I've ever known. So this just happened. Look what I did. I'm not very good at Emacs Lisp, not as good as Mr. Kartik, but what I did is I took some time and I made a function that allows me to read what's inside the buffer and gives me the buffer content as string. So this gives me the output, and I just wrote a function that just gives buffer stuff. Okay, I use mapcar and all this cool stuff. I find it really cool, really cool. By the way, I found out about apply function. I just knew about fun call, but like I'm learning this. I made these two declarative functions. So GPTel make tool, list all buffers, function, description, all these stuff. Okay. Now with all of this, I did this. Okay. I just cannot believe. I told it, tell me what's happening. Okay. I enabled three tools. Okay. All these three tools. Tell me what is happening in Emacs scratch buffer. And it just gave me all of this. This is so cool. I find it so cool, guys. Let's do something, okay? Let's go to a specific folder that I want to see. Okay, gonna be dashboard, and I'm just gonna go to my sway config. I'm gonna help it. I'm gonna ask it to find the key binding for me to open up Firefox in my sway config. Okay, so okay, config.org. Okay, so my sway config is in config.org. My config is a org document and is currently opened in buffer, in my buffer. I want you to find me the key binding to open up Firefox from that document. Hit enter. Okay, let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, let's see. It's waiting, it's typing. I need to check up. It's typing, waiting, typing. Okay, let's see. I'm really excited. God, this is Super F. And Super F opens up my Firefox. This is so cool. This is so cool, guys. I just cannot believe this is happening right now. This is so cool. I think the AI hype is actually real, guys. I'm like, LLMs are really great tools. So yeah, I do not believe there's gonna be fucking AGI or some shit. But this is a very helpful tool. Okay, now tell me what is the key binding to open Emacs in a floating window. Okay, it needs to so here it needs to like search a bit more, but let's see if it's going to find out. Okay, this is sway config or floating window is mod shift E exec Emacs client my toggle frame full screen. What the fuck? I think that it hallucinated here. Mod shift E. Oh no, it doesn't exist. Okay, no, it does not exist. Floating windows section. What the fuck? Where is like fucking so window rules, floating windows section. Like it doesn't exist at all. Okay, it does not exist at all. Okay, I think it hallucinated. Take open the document and look up again. I want you to focus on, you know, the attention mechanism will just put those places, you know, higher up, you know, in in I don't know, softmax. And I learned about LLMs, transformer architecture and GPT architecture. It was fucking cool. It's just decoder, and then you stack things up and it works somehow. It's so magical. So I want you to focus on floating window rules, and what's the other one? User made key bindings. Key bindings. That's the hint. I think this is already in the context, the thing, so I do not think it's going to. Okay, let me check the buffers. Okay, it's config, so config. Okay, based on configuration, yes, it found out mod X and it's floating window rules. So this, okay, it figured out. It figured out if I do mod X, I open Emacs in a sticky Emacs in stuff. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, thank you very much. I found it very cool. So I'm be a screen recording shell, and I'm going out. Thank you very much.